Coating technical file. Coating technical file shall be kept on board. It also has to be maintained throughout the life of the ship. Coating technical file shall be reviewed by the administration. It contains specification of the coating system applied to the dedicated seawater ballast tanks and double skin spaces. Records of the shipyards and shipowners' coating work. Details to be documented in coating technical file are detailed criteria for coating selection, job specifications, inspection, maintenance and repair shall be documented in the coating technical file. Others thing to be recorded in coating technical file are in-service maintenance, repair and partial recoating activities shall be recorded in coating technical file, in accordance with the guidelines for coating maintenance and repair.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this video among your friends and colleagues. Join our Telegram channel for latest maritime updates and exams preparations.